In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare SSL. This will help you secure the connection between your website and its visitors, adding an essential layer of protection and trust. Let's get started. First, let's make our way to the Cloudflare dashboard, which serves as the command center for managing your domains and their associated settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the list of domains under your account. Click on the domain you want to secure with SSL, and that will bring up a whole suite of options for you to configure. Next, you need to navigate to the SSL TLS section, which provides you various settings related to encryption and security certificates. Here, you'll find an exhaustive overview of your SSL options. The key to making the right choice lies in understanding what level of security fits your specific needs. The first option you'll see is called Full Strict. This mode offers the highest level of security by requiring a valid SSL certificate on the server where your website is hosted, otherwise known as the origin server. Choosing Full Strict ensures that the data is fully encrypted, both to and from Cloudflare, as well as between Cloudflare and your origin server. This effectively secures your traffic end-to-end. If you have a valid and up-to-date certificate installed on your origin, this is the best choice to go with for maximum security. The next available option you'll encounter is simply called Full. Like Full Strict, it also encrypts the data traveling between Cloudflare and your origin server. However, this mode is slightly less secure because it accepts self-signed or expired certificates. While it's less stringent, it still provides encryption and is an acceptable choice if you have yet to obtain a fully valid certificate for your origin server. Now, a word of caution about the flexible option, which is available here as well. This mode should only be used if your origin server cannot support HTTPS traffic. It encrypts data from your website visitors to Cloudflare, but not from Cloudflare to your server. This means the communication between Cloudflare and your origin is not encrypted, leaving that part of the pathway more vulnerable to data interception. Try to avoid using the flexible option unless you're unable to implement HTTPS support on your origin server. By choosing the right SSL mode, you can significantly enhance the security posture of your website. Whether you go with Full, Strict, or Full, you'll be making your site more secure for visitors in just a few clicks. That's it for today. Don't forget to test your website after making these changes to ensure everything is working smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy securing.